Today we are talking about prepositions of place. But first we need to explain what are prepositions. Prepositions are simply words that explain where or when something is in relation to something else. So prepositions of place explain where something is located. Today we're going to look at three of the most common prepositions of place. They are on, in, and at. Now, first of all, the word on. You could say, I am watching a YouTube video on my television. On refers to something that is on a surface. It may be a horizontal surface, it may be a vertical surface, but it is located on, touching that surface. So this YouTube video that you are watching it on your device. Perhaps you are watching it on your phone. It is on the screen. You are watching it on your television. What are some other examples of the word on that we can use? Well, you could say, my child is so naughty, he keeps jumping on the bed. The surface is the bed. The child is touching the surface. He is jumping on the surface of that bed. You might also say, I'm not going to remember my doctor's appointment, so I'm going to write it on my calendar. Now, what about the word in? In refers to the centre of an enclosed area. So, for example, I am in my office at the moment. You might play in your garden. The garden is an enclosed area. You are in the middle of that enclosed area, so you play in your garden. I eat my food in the dining room. It is an enclosed area. I eat my food in the dining room. The word at refers to a specific area, a specific place. So, for example, you might say, I live at 23 Sesame Street. It is a specific address, a specific area. You could say, if you were being less specific, you could say, I live on Sesame Street. That is the street that you live on. You are on that street. However, if you are being specific, you would say at. I live at 23, a specific address. I live at 23 Sesame Street. You can also use the word at to tell people where you currently are. So you might say, I am at the cinema. I am at the doctor's office. Hello? Yes, I'm just at the doctor's at the moment. Is it okay if I call you back soon? Okay, thank you. Bye. We can use the word at to refer to specific places. I am at the doctor's. It is a specific place. So just as a quick recap then, we've looked at three prepositions of place. We saw the word on. It refers to something that is connected to a surface. So the child is jumping on the bed. I am writing my appointment on my calendar. Another preposition of place is the word in. It refers to the centre of an enclosed area. I am working in my garden. I am eating my meal in my dining room. We are in an enclosed area, and so we use that word in. Then we saw the word at. Now, as we mentioned, at refers to a specific place. I live at 23 Sesame Street. I am currently at the doctor's office. You can use it to tell people where you are, and you can use it to refer to specific geographical places. So I hope this video has been useful for you. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. I am at the doctor's. It is a specific place. No idea what I was going to say next. If you'd like, you can also leave a comment below telling me something or other. I can't remember what.